Hey y'all, it's KK and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever crochet installation hair video on this channel. I'm super excited about it. I love the way this crochet hairstyle came out. It is the Freetress WATERWAVE hair. I found out about this hair from Leah Levon. I randomly came across her channel because I'm going to Mexico next week and I'm going to be scuba diving, parasailing, jet skiing, you name it. So I needed something that was going to last through the water and all of the excursions I was going to be doing, and a synthetic wig just wasn't going to cut it, let's be real. On Leah Levon's channel, she basically breaks down all the crochet hairs to the T. Sis, if you ever watch this, you doing that crochet thing over there. Like, I can't even believe it. She has tons of videos about crochet hair, and she has a video for vacation hair for crochet styles, and I came across this one. I was gonna do main concept, but I couldn't find it anywhere in the stores and I didn't feel like ordering it online, and so I went ahead and went with the Freetress WATERWAVE. She said it's going to hold up. Honestly, I trust her because she got the crochet down pat, and so I'm really excited to see what this hair is going to do next week on my vacation. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I install the hair and also how you get this invisible knot parting space to make it a little bit more natural, because honestly, y'all, with my parts with crochet, I play no games. And I just wanted to also give you a little bit of feedback at the end of the video about the installation process and also about the review of one day's wear with this hair. As always, I'm not gonna let you go anywhere without telling you to subscribe to my channel, also like this video, and then also share it with your friends who are looking for a vacation style, easy, effortless, and also affordable too. So this is my braid pattern for my crochet. As you can see, I did it in a spiral, and I parted my hair in half and did straight braids in the front, and I just secured the back with bobby pins. Right here, I am showing you the texture of the hair, just getting a feel of it. It was super bouncy. It felt really good out of the pack. This is one strand of the hair out of the pack, and I tried to pull the crochet hair apart, y'all, and it just did not work with this curl pattern. Right here, you can see it got super tangled at the bottom. It just didn't work out. So for past crochet hairstyles, I would split the strand and then install it, but with this curl pattern, it just didn't work out, so we just had to do a take two. Take two now, we're going to take this strand, the full one, not splitting or anything. I'm taking that crochet needle, putting it through the braid, and then I'm going to hook the piece of hair to the needle, pull it through, and then what I do, I just loop it twice, and you'll see me do that in this video, but I just loop it twice in the back because it'll do. Just twice is good. This clip is showing you 2 packs of hair in my head. I could have made the hair stretch a little bit more, but I just wanted to make sure the back was full. This clip is with 4 packs of hair in my head, and at this point I'm like, okay, Candace, you don't have to put the hair so close together because you only have 3 packs left and you have to do that whole front. I tried splitting the hair again to do my invisible part in the front, but it just didn't work, as you can see. So I actually had to use a full strand for my invisible part. It still worked out good, but I was just afraid that it wasn't going to look as natural. And so here I am using the crochet needle to hook it and pull it through. And then instead of doing both strands of hair and pulling it through, I'm actually only pulling one strand through, and then I am pulling it to where the knot is on the side of the braid that I don't want to show. So I'm going to show you all this one more time because it can be kind of tricky if you are a beginner, but you can go ahead and hook it through and then only use one strand to pull it through, and then just make sure your knot is on the side of the part that is basically opposite to the side that you like want to look natural. So now I'm going to show you all how to do it on the opposite side, and notice I did switch the entry point of the needle. So basically wherever you insert the needle, that side is where the knot is going to be, and that's just really important because you don't want the knot showing. And so here I'm just looping it through, and I forgot to mention to you all earlier, you actually kind of loop it through twice. I think I ended up only looping it through once I got away from the front part of my forehead, because honestly, you loop it through once, you loop it through twice, it's gonna kind of look the same, and looping it through once kind of just makes it faster. The final 2 packs of hair, I'm just gonna close up that front part and then make sure that spiral is completely covered. About 5 hours later, I was finally done, and I say it took about 5 hours because I was watching Netflix, I was talking on the phone, and I was kind of procrastinating because I was kind of using this time just to kind of chill. And so right here, I'm just going through and snipping the hair, layering it. I kind of cut off a couple of inches, and right now I'm just cutting some bangs in order to frame my face a little bit more. To me, I just wanted the bangs because I thought it looked a little cuter. So I'm over here cutting bangs and doing what I do or whatever just to make it look a little bit more dimensional. Right here, I'm just kind of admiring in the mirror, you know what I'm saying? Seeing if everything looks right. Y'all, I don't know why, but it just seems like with crochet hair, the more you look at it, like the better it looks. So I'm just over here being silly in the mirror and all that. Alright everyone, so now that we've gotten past the tutorial of putting the hair in, I also want to talk about the installation process, my thoughts on it, and also just thoughts on the hair after wearing it for a day. This hair actually doesn't have any product in it. However, I am going to put the Lotta Body product in it. It is the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This is actually what Leah Levon uses to detangle her crochet hairs, and so I just went ahead and got it too. I didn't want to put any product in it the first day just to see how it was gonna do, and one thing I can say is that it does tangle a little bit. It doesn't look too bad, but if you can see this on camera, it does have a little bit of ratty ends, but I think it kind of contributes to like the naturalness of the hair and kind of like the little like curl pattern. Basically, I think what I'm going to do every night before I go to sleep, I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle it and then get out the little ratty parts in it, just so when I wake up the next morning it's good to go. As far as the installation process, it kind of took me off guard a little bit. When I used to wear crochet hairs back in college, I would get the Kima braid hair. I would split that hair, make the packs kind of stretch a little bit more, and everything was good to go. It split very easily. With this hair, it did not split easily. Like even in the installation clips, I tried to split the hair and it was like, whoa, it did not want to go. It was like, you thought, sis. But yeah, so when you are installing this hair, don't even worry about splitting it. Don't even try. The only con I have about that is when you're trying to do the part, you can still do the invisible knots, but when I would do my crochet hairs in college, you couldn't tell me nothing. I would split that hair into little itty bitty tiny pieces and invisible knot the whole thing to where it almost looked like a closure. Like I was not playing any games when it came to my parting space. So with this look, you might have to sacrifice a little bit of it looking natural, but if you don't care about any of that, just don't worry about splitting it, just on the front end. I forgot to mention that I have about 7.5 packs of hair in my head. I actually don't think you need that much if you're not really used to having a lot of hair in your head, or if you don't feel like having all that hair in your head. I think 5 packs would be good because I didn't realize how full this hair would be. But hey, I love the fullness. I think it's going to contribute to just the overall Cancun vibes next week, and I think it's gonna photograph really, really well on camera. I'm really, really happy with the way this hairstyle turned out. Honestly, I think with crochet, it takes a little bit to get used to. Even after me cutting the bangs on both sides and kind of evening out the hair, I just, you know, I was like, I don't really know if I like it or not. But honestly, after putting on some makeup and being my face and getting cute, I think this is going to be a look, sis, cause yes. So that is it for this video. I just want to give one more shout out to Leah Levon. You like awakened back the genuine love I had for crochet hair. You might be seeing more crochet hair on this channel, you might not, but either way, definitely go to Leah Levon for any crochet hair tips, tricks, and also information on crochet hair, because this is doing it. As always, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.